Today we are going to talk about a vehicle that is creating quite a buzz in the Pakistani market. The 2026 Wego Dala SUV from Great Wall Motors offers excellent features and quality in its price segment. So, let's start with the exterior design. When you first look at this vehicle, its aggressive and modern styling immediately grabs attention. At the front, a large hexagonal grille with chrome finishing gives it a bold appearance. The LED headlights look sharp and stylish, and they also include daytime running lights. Separate fog lamps are provided as well, giving the vehicle a complete and premium look. The side profile of the vehicle looks quite muscular. Large 17-inch alloy wheels enhance the overall appeal. The body lines are sharp and well-defined. Roof rails are also included, giving it a true SUV character. The side mirrors come with indicators and are electrically adjustable and foldable. At the rear, the LED tail lights feature a very attractive design. Parking sensors are also available, making parking easier and safer. The rear bumper also includes chrome detailing, which helps maintain the vehicle's premium appeal. Now let's move to the interior. When you open the door, you are welcomed by a premium cabin. The dashboard looks modern and well-designed. Soft touch materials have been used, giving the vehicle a high-quality feel. In the center, there is a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that is responsive and easy to use. It offers Bluetooth, USB, aux, and a reverse camera. The audio system is quite good and delivers clear sound quality. In front of the driver, a digital instrument cluster displays all essential information clearly. The multifunction steering wheel is leather-wrapped and includes buttons for audio and cruise control. The seats are quite comfortable and come with fabric upholstery. The driver's seat is height adjustable. The front seats offer good support, so even on long journeys you won't feel much fatigue. The rear seats can comfortably accommodate 3 adults, and both legroom and headroom are very good. Now let's talk about the engine and performance. The Wego Dala is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine that produces around 145 horsepower and 210 Nm of torque. This engine comes with a 6-speed manual transmission, while some variants also offer a CVT automatic transmission option. The vehicle's performance is excellent both in the city and on the highway. Thanks to the turbocharger, overtaking becomes easy. The engine is quite refined, and noise levels remain low even at high speeds. Gear shifts are smooth and effortless. Now let's move on to the price. The Great Wall Wego Dala starts at approximately 4 million Pakistani rupees. Prices vary across different variants. The base model comes with fewer features, while the top model is loaded with most of the available features. At this price point, the vehicle offers very good value for money compared to its competitors like the Kia Sportage, Haval Jolion, and MG Motor HS. Considering the features, you get a lot for the money in this segment. Talking about the warranty, the company offers a 3-year or 100,000 kilometers warranty, which is quite good for this segment. After-sales service and the availability of spare parts are also improving compared to before. However, there are some drawbacks that should be mentioned. The base model lacks many features. Resale value is still a question mark since the brand is relatively new in the market. Some people may have concerns about Chinese quality, but Great Wall has made significant improvements in recent years. So that was our detailed review of the Great Wall Wego Dala. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and let us know your thoughts about this vehicle in the comments. Thank you.